Hi, I'm Randy McKenzie, owner of Quality Equipment and Parts, Lake City, Florida. I'm here to do a walk around with you today of the Delfab DF703 Phoenix three-wheel fella buncher. What I'd like to do is start off by showing you some of the features that makes this machine easy to service. Starting with the engine compartment here, you've got the screw type latches that are real simple to just unscrew, and you're standing here flat-footed on the ground. You can get to your alternator, engine oil filter. Here's where you check the oil. Look at the starter. The starter is easy to get to. Turbo, muffler, everything is simple to get to on both sides of the engine. You've got a dipstick here for the transmission up under the cab. This is the fuel tank where you fill the machine with diesel fuel. All right, now on the passenger side, there's also engine compartment here. Again, flat-footed access to get to your fuel filters, your AC compressor, change your air filter. Again, easy access to the fan blade and the radiator from this side. We've got the batteries in this side compartment. In this compartment, it comes with two lug wrenches for help with removing lug nuts if you have to change a tire. We also have um, a hose for the hydraulic pump to pump oil out of a 5-gallon bucket. And back here in the rear is where you pump your hydraulic oil into the machine. Comes with a pump. And there's the fitting where you connect your hose. All your hydraulic fittings are in the rear of the machine here. Easy access to the radiator for cleaning. You got your air to air, your oil cooler, and your radiator. Some of the options offered on the Delfab, I'm going to do a walk around on those. We've got the 28-inch tires on this one. There's an option for a 23 or the 34-inch tires. As far as the head, we've got the 18-inch Delfab head. It's similar to the old Coring. This is made by Delfab. It has a Quadco saw blade on it, 18-inch capacity. You've got your accumulator arm, your sweep arm. On this particular machine, we've got the light package. You'll see the light on top of the cab in the front, and you've got side lights on both sides of the machine. In the rear tire, this is basically, as most of you may know, this is an airplane tire. This particular tire is filled with calcium chloride for extra weight, tail weight. On the very back, you'll see we have a piece of Lexan covering the camera. We've got a backup camera on this model to be able to see when you're backing up. On this side, you'll see the additional light. That is your air conditioner condenser, safely tucked away with a protective screen around it. All right, I'm going to enter the cab and come on with me. You got grab handles here for easy access. A step right here. Got plenty of leg room. 2 foot pedals down here. Fold up and down armrest for the tilt. And this particular model, of course, has the camera display, a cell phone holder, and over here to the right of my leg is a drink cup holder. You've got the AM, FM, CD player, satellite radio. And over my head is the air conditioner. Got 3 speeds, high, medium, and low. We've got 2 speakers for the radio and a recirculation filter right here behind me. One last huge benefit about this machine, it's a Tier 3 Cummins, 130 horsepower. This is a 2019 model. The 2020 models are now Tier 4 engines. So get this one while it lasts. Just a couple more options I'd like to mention. This machine will also run a mulching head. It'll run a shear head or a dangle saw. So it's very versatile. It's just like a zero-turn lawnmower, fun to drive, easy to drive. Even your grandmother can drive this machine. Give us a call at the number here on the side of the machine. Check us out on Facebook, like us, and hope to see you soon.